Hello, here is Yawar Ali from Smart QS House, a construction estimation company serving clients in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. Uh, we serve quantity takeoffs, material and labor estimates, prepare accurate BOQs, fill your tender sheets for the trades like roofing, flooring, MEP works, concrete works, structural works, and do every work from finishes to GC works. We use normally tools like PlanSwift, Bluebeam, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PDF to analyze drawings. If you need any estimate, you need to share your drawings and share your scope of work. Then we will share all of your budget estimate to fill your tender.